If you've ever wanted to bring your pictures to life, today's the day that we're going to learn how to take images and turn them into a short video. Now, what I like to use is a tool called MidJourney, and we're going to start there today. And so, as you can see, many people are creating videos with their images. And so I'm going to use one of the prompts that I like with cartoons. So all you have to do is over here on the left, click create, and I'm just going to paste a couple of prompts. Now, what I like to do is go ahead and put several prompts in and have it create some pictures. And so what it's doing is going to create those still images, and I'll just check them out and decide which ones I like best. I like to do this and have them running so that I can then see the ones that I really like. And in here, you can change any of the settings. So as you're creating them, if you want them to be a certain size or whatnot. I like to use Jonathan Mast. He has a prompt creator, and so I utilize that for these images. And so I think this one's kind of cute. So when I click on it, if I like her, great. If not, we can go and find another one. You get the idea. And then down here on the right hand side, and this is new, I'm going to click low motion. And then what it's going to do is create a short little video clip. Now, there's no sound connected to this, so if I wanted to, I could certainly bring that in to a different program in order to add sound. Okay, so let's see what happens here. And you can see there's just a little bit of movement, and it creates kind of a little video. And any of the ones you can test out to see if you like them. You could also change it to high motion and see how that impacts your video. So as you can see with the high motion, there's more activity in the image. So the people in the background are moving, and there's a person walking. So that just adds a little bit of an additional element. If you also wanted to try this with real people, you could say, girl walking down the street with her dog, recording herself on her cell phone. And so again, it's going to give us our still image first. Then once it's complete, then I can find where it says low motion, get out of the image, and it's going to create that video right here. Okay, now you can see there's 4 different videos. We can see what we like. Come over here. And they're pretty similar, but there's just some subtle differences of where, the person is placed. So you can also extend it to make it a little bit longer. So just some fun little tools on MidJourney. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for tips and tricks on how to use AI in your business.